not have trashed Dallas once before. And I mean,
You can tell him no.
he went to cheer.
You guys are dumb.
What? What'd you do? What'd you do?
He went into the bag that I'm taking home and dispersed the clothes as well as the stuff on my bed.
Hey, that's not nice.
Hey, you need to go help clean up.
Yeah, go help clean
Yeah, now you need to go help clean up.
Just stay. You're
No, hey, you're a good cleaner upper. Go help her clean up.
I bet you can't.
I don't want to hear. Oh my god. You want him or not? Yeah, it's fine.
Kill for your my shit.
Hey!
It's okay.
Alana talked about the size of the bomb, not just the size of the men, and that's been a
Go.
this unit.
Yeah. Oh, Bill, that's a big. That was as big as you are.
Does he need a hug too? Oh my god.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
You're gonna kill him.
Slam.
Whoa!
Slam.
Careful with Eeyore. We're being outed, Allison.
He said he got more. Allison.
Tell her, Benji. I know it's a big word.
What does she need?
Yeah. What does she need?
Benji, come here. What do I need? I'll tell you. So you can say it to her, okay?
Yeah, you gotta say it.
Come here. There's so much school.
That's a big word. That's a lot. That's a mouthful. But she needs help. She needs your help.
Ready?
Go tell her, Benji.
Should I tell Hazel to say it?
No more Eeyores.
What do I need? Is there more Eeyores?
Oh, what a catch.
Eeyore intervention.
He doesn't
You tell
want
her
one.
intervention? Do I need intervention?
It sounds like he doesn't want her to have one. He wants more.
He wants more. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, Chiefs are getting outplayed.
Yeah.
They are.
I have a pillow. It's like a pillow pet, but that's probably it.
Are you sure?
Well, they're not usually all out. Like
It's
it's
awesome.
You don't know?
She loves it. There's nothing wrong
Look
with
at the
it.
signal on that route, yeah. Just that little trigger finger.
Benji! She's driving.
I can't
really be fine in balance.
Hazel's gone. I kind of want to join in.
So do I.
It's like a pillow trim.
Eeyore pillow party.
There's a matching little one to this one that's at school.
Yeah, that one's really cute.
What's going on here?
There is one at Disney. We don't have to.
Hug
it, Hazel.
And a great tackle.
Oh, she didn't even jump on anything. She missed it completely.
To this game, Eagles electing not to kick a field goal here. Looking to go off.
Really? Oh!
Night night.
They should take the point.
Night night.
Night night, Hazel.
No, you night night.
They're going for it.
Hey, 4 3.
I think they're just trying to draw them off. They'll call timeout.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not gonna.
Hey, you want to come tell me night night?
You're not gonna take a chance of not getting points here.
Here, come here. Tell me night night.
Okay, night night.
Night night.
Here, come here. How do we do it?
Let's see it. Oh,
Yeah,
she's too tired.
Here. Here's a little
I
one.
have never been as. Oh, night night.
I do like this thought.
Here,
Unless how many times has he dissed Drake?
Hey!
With the way they're
Hey!
Oh, you're awake.
Oh, you're up.
Hey, go tell Dad night night. Go put Dad night night.
How do we
Dad
do
night
it?
night.
Yep.
Oh, here she comes.
You need some help?
Hey, get up there.
Points to win.
Go
Here,
tell
tell
him
Dad
night night. Hey.
Okay, he's going to sleep.
Okay. Night night. Tell me night night. Right here?
Oh.
Hey.
Okay. Hey, no. You gotta tell me.
How do you tell her?
Shoves his head.
Oh.
Nope, I'm awake.
Oh no.
Night night.
Good.
Right down Main Street.
Down the middle. Flag.
Night night.
They're pointing at Kansas.
Kicker thinks it's on them.
He's a Dell for sure.
Night night.
Looked like from the
Don't you
overhead,
agree,
it looked
Jerry?
like the offensive right side of the
I
Chiefs
think
line just
Jesus, bro.
Yeah. Boom.
A little.
That's little ticky tack, isn't it?
That
was
is.
Kansas City, but they get it on Philadelphia.
That ain't like
But
that.
it's gonna back him up 5 yards, right?
Yeah, he'll.
He nailed it.
She likes my collection.
He made it by 20.
That's
Night night.
That's the mount,
It made the defense jump though.
and that's the one of the keys.
Here. Here,
So
night night.
back, make it a 38-yard try for Elliott.
Yeah. Night night.
Ooh, got it.
Oh, wow.
so good.
A little closer.
Oh, she's just gonna join him.
Oh,
Oh, night night.
night.
Night night.
Night night, everybody.
Oh, night
It's an Eeyore
night.
sleeping.
Come here.
So 35-13 and
Get her.
you would have told the Chiefs, hey, you're gonna hold the Eagles run
Your
game.
bracelet? Bracelet?
Certainly would have
Boom.
had 37-6.
You're tall.
No.
You're tall.
Hey, do you want to get your jammies on?
Can I
Let's go to jammies on.
Yeah, let's see jamming.
Come here. Come here.
Look at her. Oh, she's gonna start stripping right now.
Come here.
Guys try to make him smile. It's almost like a parlor game on that
Here.
roster.
Your mama bring
66.
jammies?
Well, he got almost a little bit emotional in our meeting, didn't he, guys, when he said,
Yeah.
I feel
Yeah.
like the guys in the league are
Whoa, look at those jammies.
Hi. Abby, he's ready to play her hockey now. He's back.
You want to go play?
I'm gonna take a break for this round and
Okay.
yeah, I'll let you.
Emily will play.
Emily's got it.
Hey, come on, Emily.
Yeah.
Something historic in the NFL. And unfortunately, it's the lowest of lows.
He's standing on one of like the containers.
Oh,
I put
yeah,
a
yeah.
bunch of blankets behind it in case he goes a little overboard, but he was fine.